an exciting unboxing today of the Mason Pearson hairbrush. So these are really famous. This is basically the most expensive hairbrush you can buy. I think I paid about $120 for this one. And this isn't the most expensive. I think they go up to about $350. So, well, this is the plastic one. You get a wooden one for the bigger price. Also, this is not the biggest size one. This is the second one down. I've heard a lot about these. I've seen all the reviews on YouTube and intrigued. So here we have one in the flesh. Retails for about $120 this one. And there's the history you're buying. Genuine Mason Pearson original pneumatic rubber cushion hairbrush invented by Mason Pearson 1885. Inspired multiple tuft patent 1905. Improved patent 1918. Made in London, England. And this is the kind of, I assume it's the original style of packaging, obviously modern print. Let's get it open and see what all the fuss is about. This one's the one with nylon and boar bristles, something like that. So they do come in various sizes. There's about 4 or 5 sizes. They come in boar bristle only, they come in nylon only, and they come in the mix. They come in several different colours. I think there's a pink, blue, there's this colour which it looks black but it's a dark ruby, and I think there's one other colour as well. They come in a variety of sizes, so there's about 4 different sizes, something like that. They also come in a military version as well without a handle. Yeah, so do your research before buying them. This thing's a cleaning tool, and the idea is, let's get the brush out, a little label there. What does that say? To prolong the life of your hairbrush, it's important you follow the care instructions, blah 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 blah. Okay, here we go, care instructions. Nice old school looking. I do like the kind of very old sort of retro. Old Bond Street. That's quite a posh address. That's probably why it costs so much. There's a little care leaflet. Not going to read that. Suggest you do read it. Let's get it out. So we've got this kind of faux velvet plastic base. Here's the brush itself. Good weight. This is the junior size one. It's basically a medium size. Mason Pearson logo, which is embossed, and then you've got a kind of gold print. There's the brush. Doesn't look anything fancy, but apparently it's really nice. Oh, that's a bit sharp. Push it down, you can see the cushion there. And there's the bristles. So you've got the white ones, which are the nylon, and then you've got the black one, which is the boar bristle. It's got a nice effect. So apparently really comfortable to use. Very expensive. So curiosity got the better of me. If it's any good, I'll go and buy the rest. And the cleaning brush. Mason Pearson, made in England, so nothing very fancy. These look like they're plastic, but I think they're boar. And the idea is, I don't know, you do something, I think you detangle it a bit, but anyway, you sort of brush it through like that, basically. And that's the way of cleaning the brush when you've got lots of hair caught up in it. Obviously this one's a new one, and so it's nice and fresh, basically. About $120. Is it worth it? I think it is. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but sometimes you've got to treat yourself, and curiosity got the better of me. Don't like the fact that it says junior when it's basically kind of the medium-sized one. The big one's called Popular. There's also a handheld. There's also a child pocket one as well. They do sort of various ones. Pick carefully. The website's really good. It's got a sizing guide and tells you what the suitability is for different hair types. So for a thinner hair, it's the boar bristle only. For a thicker hair, it's the plastic nylon only. And then for medium hair, it's sort of somewhere in the middle. Most people go for somewhere in the middle. because it's sort of, I think, get the best of both worlds. So maybe I'll do a review of this one versus the wet brush, which is the other one I bought, which looked quite interesting as well. And that was only $8, so $120 versus $8. Let's do a brush off.